Yo, what's good, sneaker channel and Grizzly Reaction? It's your boy Big Grizz back with another sneaker unboxing, man. Y'all see the Nike box. I already unboxed these actually, but I didn't show y'all what we caught, and this is just a Nike box, and these ain't no Air Max 90s. If you've been following the channel, you probably knows what these are already, but if you don't know, I'm about to tell you. You know what I'm saying? We grabbed these, we ordered these on the 5th of February. We ordered these on the 5th, and I believe these came on Thursday, so we're about to get into these. Before we do, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Grizzly Reacts. Follow my sneaker channel, Grizzly Sneaks, on the road to 100 subscribers on Grizzly Sneaks. Once we hit 100 subscribers, we'll be doing a sneaker giveaway, free pair of Jordans. All you guys got to do is just subscribe and go from there, man. Just comment your size when you do subscribe on a random video, and we'll go from there. Without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, so without further ado, let's get into it. I'm really excited about these shoes because being that this is the first version of these version of shoes that I have, and I'm going to definitely have a big ass collection of these shoes for surely, you know what I'm saying? But without further ado, we got the Nike Dunk Low Retro, colorways white, black, white, sizes, of course, size 12, and yeah, let's get it. I got these from StockX, by the way. Shout out StockX. But the only thing that was kind of confusing to me, these is the first shoes I've been ordered from StockX before. These was legit the first ones that like shipped from the United Kingdom. Like they came overseas. I didn't know StockX involves, you know, overseas. This is, like I said, my first time getting the shoe from the United Kingdom. So shout out to them and they process. But even with shipping with the United Kingdom, these came fast. Shout out DHL. That's who shipped them out. I guess, you know, that's the only carrier that does. I don't know, bro. Without further ado, we have here, oh my God, we have here the Dunks. You know what I'm saying? I don't know the name of these exactly. You know, I don't think they have a name. But here goes the shoe, bro. These is pressure. I know they basic white, black, but man, these, I always wanted a pair of Dunks, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I always wanted a pair, and I got a pair, man. These joints is clean. You know what I'm saying? Nice, clean, basic little look, man. Nice, clean look to them. I like the material that's on them. I like this leather that's on it. Good leather. Real good leather, man. Look at that leather. Good leather. Bounce right back. You know, let me show y'all both of them side by side together. You know, this is what they look like side by side together, man. I like these. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm loving these, man. Like, these is perfect, exactly what I wanted. See the back tab with the Nike on it. Also got the Nike on the tongue right there. Got the Nike inside the shoe. You know what I'm saying? We Nike'd up. I really like these though. I mean, these came from overseas and they already been authenticated. So these is real, you know what I'm saying? Some of the stitching look, I don't know, bro, but you know, as you see, came from StockX. And I gotta cover up my address, hold on. But y'all see the StockX, hold on. Yeah, y'all see the StockX sticker right there from StockX and everything right there. Y'all see the shoe was the Nike Dunk Low Retro White, you know what I'm saying, black 2021. But yeah, I paid purchase, I paid $250 for these, plus, you know, tax and all that shit. The total amount was $271.45, but I paid $250 for these. Not bad. I didn't mind paying $250 for these, you know what I'm saying, because I really wanted these. But Dunks is the next wave that I'm on. I told y'all I'm trying to switch it up from Jordans and shit. You know what I'm saying? I do, even though I cop a lot of Jordans, but I'm trying to switch it up. So the Yeezy 700s, these, like, I'm about to start a collection of both of these. The next Jones I'm after are these. There's a purple one, like, it's like this part's black, but it's like back here is purple. It's so crazy. It looks so crazy. It looks so crazy. Those is the ones I'm aiming for next. So my Dunk collection is on the way. It's gonna be crazy. Because like I said, we trying to think outside the box. Even though I love Jordans, but y'all know my first love has always been Air Max 90s, and I'm still missing like maybe 4 or 5 pair of the colorways of those. So I'm trying to get them up, and I'm trying to get my dunk collection started. So we might be cool off ones. I don't know. I mean, Jordans, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? I tried to get the Carmines yesterday, but it was a fail for me. You know what I'm saying? I really wanted them, but it was I wasn't able to get them, and people want $380 for them right now, and I'm not paying $380 for those shoes. But I'm saying, here goes the Dunks once again, just in case if y'all ever wanted to grab some Dunks. I like Dunks. I've always loved Dunks. You know what I'm saying? Before Dunks was a wave, I was about to get on them, buying them, but I just didn't have the money for them. And then out of nowhere, the rappers start wearing them again, and then the prices on them motherfuckers shot up. So, but yeah, expect a lot of Dunks soon, very, very, very soon. And also on the sneaker channel, I'm about to start showing y'all when I'm like selling shoes and shipping out shoes as well. I always post it on my main channel, but it doesn't make sense to have a sneaker channel and not post it on there. So that will be on the sneaker channel for now. A lot of stuff coming on the channel. Y'all just stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe. But we are done with this video. Appreciate y'all for staying tuned. New shoes on the way. Y'all stay tuned. Big Grizz.